Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. So now let's move on today's topic. Today's topic is present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense, there are three forms: affirmative, negative and interrogative. So let's take affirmative first. Singular number. So these are the singular noun or pronoun: he, she, it, any name of a person or every singular noun. And with these singular noun and pronoun we put is. Okay, we put is, and this is the formula of singular number. Subject is we first plus ing and object. Okay, and these are the example: Ram is going to school, she is playing, he is going to market and Rahul is speaking English. These are the example of singular number in affirmative sentence, and we put is with them, and then we first plus ing. Now let's take negative sentence. First singular number, the same noun and pronoun: he, she, it, any name of a person and every singular noun. And with these singular noun and pronoun we put is. But this is the negative sentence, so we put not in this formula. The formula is subject is plus not, then we first plus ing and object, and we put not between is and we first plus ing. Is the primary auxiliary verb and we first ing is the main verb, and we put not between them. Okay, these are the example of negative sentence: he is not going to Delhi, she is not going to picnic, Ram is not telling a lie. So we put not between is and we first plus ing. Okay, now let's take interrogative sentence. Singular number: he, she, it, any name of a person and every singular noun, and we put is with them. Okay, and interrogative sentence has two type. Number one, yes no answer type, and number two, question word caution. First take yes no answer type. We put is before the subject and then subject, and then we first plus ing and then object, then question mark. And second type, question word plus is plus subject plus we first plus ing and then object, question mark. These are the example: is she loving her school, is she not loving her school, why is she not loving her school. These two types of the example, and this is the question word question and this is yes no answer type of example. And now let's take plural number. So you can see here the plural number are also in three forms. Okay, affirmative, negative and interrogative. First take affirmative. I is the pronoun and we put am with them. We, you, they, and plural noun, every plural noun we put are with them. Okay, and this is the formula: subject am or are, with I we put am, and with these plural noun and pronoun we put are, then we first plus ing then object. Okay, these are the example. You can see here: I am playing, you are going to school, we are not going to market, they are singing the song, his friends are playing the hockey. So we put am with I and are with these plural noun or pronoun. Okay, so this is the example of negative sentence. So you can put this example in negative sentence. Okay, and then negative sentence, I, we put am with I, and then these are the plural noun and pronoun, we put are, and this is the formula: subject am, are plus not plus V first plus ing, and then object. So we put not between both of them. Okay, and then these are the example: I am not going outside, we are not playing cricket, you are not speaking the truth. So we put are and not. Okay, now let's take interrogative sentence. So the same, I with I we put am, and with these plural noun and pronoun we put are. The formula is am or are plus subject plus V first plus ing, and then object and question mark. So we put am or are before the subject, and after subject we put V first plus ing. Second type, question word, then am or are, then subject, then V first plus ing, and then object. These are the example: are you helping the poor? Are you not helping the poor? Am I reading my book? Why are you reading my book? So we put are before the subject. The helping verb are, we put are before the subject, and also question word before the subject. Okay, and after subject we put V first plus ing, not plus V first plus ing. So this is all about present continuous tense, and I hope you may have understood it. And if you have any queries, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this, then click the button like. And thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it. Bye bye now.